Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, whoops! Be careful! Henry's in the seat. Whoa! Gonna sit down. Is he kicking you out of the way? Oh, careful. Why don't you see if you can sit like on this part of it, and you guys could both sit in the chair. No, I guess not. I guess not, huh? Henry, don't kick, buddy. Oh. Oh, I guess he doesn't want to.
I'll just sit right there.
There you go. I guess not.
I almost ran into the camera.
Whoa, whoa, look at him go. He got a strong foot there, Hen. Whoa!
I would have sat in the shade.
You think he'll sit in your lap? What if he sat down and then we put Henry on your lap? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. He's giving you a hug.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Are you going to drive Nana Jean over to the other dock?
Hey, stop that. Yes. Hey, whoa.
Whoa, careful, buddy. You're not. Boom.
Ow. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need to sit. Whoa. Hey, whoa, guys. Now.